Reasons for consumer exploitation. During the past, the producers were supplying goods directly to the consumers like milk, fruits, vegetables without the hindrance of middlemen. When agricultural occupations developed, it changed the marketing methods. The direct transaction between consumer and producer also stopped. And the fixation of prices for goods and services was done mainly by the middlemen. So, because of this, it led to many problems. So, consumer also had to undergo difficult times and also problems, and they also faced losses. See, examples of consumer exploitation. Read this. Price rupees 90 kg. Only I have tomato. Take it or leave it, she is telling. See this. This is Indian teleshopping. The development of information technology today, it has led to teleshopping. So the people can sitting at home and directly they can buy the goods from the traders. There is a information technology. You must have heard about what is teleshopping also. The consumers, instead of going to traders, can place order for the goods which are advertised over television and the media. Through internet or SMS or telephone, consumers can place the order for the goods selected. Payment also can be made after receiving the goods at door. This transaction we call it as tele-shopping. See here, advertisement. Hurry, hurry, order now, buy one, get one free. I think all of you must have heard about this, buy one, get one. Even for shirts you are getting, even for powder, cosmetics, goods, all these things, consumer goods also you will have this facility. The development of information technology, it is nothing but has led to tele-shopping. Consumer. Who is a consumer? He is a person who buys goods or hires or avails service for a consideration called price or wages. The goods purchased may be for self-consumption or he may sell it again. He may buy for himself or for resale. Any activity or transaction carried on with the motive of making profit, that is, we call it as commercial purpose. Every consumer has certain wants. He buys goods to satisfy his wants. It is the duty of every producer to satisfy the needs of the consumer. See, this is another picture of consumer. So, ours is a free enterprise and consumer is regarded as the king and occupies a prime place, very important place. He acts like a king only. He is regarded as king because whatever he wants he buys. Unfortunately, many times he is neglected, exploited and cheated, and also he suffers. So, ours is a free enterprise and he is considered as king. Consumer protection refers to protection of consumers against any exploitation by producers and traders. There is a great need for consumer protection. To safeguard the interest of consumers, consumer rights are assured. See here, consumer protection. You can see umbrella under the people are there. It means that it is being protected today by the government. We are all consumers. We are all called consumers. We are all being protected by the government by passing an act in 1986 called the Consumer Protection Act. See another picture of producer. What is she doing here? She is stitching. So tailor, she is also a producer. She is producing clothes, stitching clothes. Trader, he is selling something. All the groceries. He is selling groceries. So he is a trader. This is Consumer Protection Act. You can see the picture of Consumer Protection Act. So this is a movement was started by few people who suffered on continuous exploitation by the traders. Such movements brought pressure on the government and all alerted it to formulate new acts to safeguard the interests of the consumers. In the last 5 decades, more than 30 acts have been implemented. It is called Essential Commodities Act, weights and measures, especially weights and measures. Many people used to cheat. Instead of using a proper weights and measures, they were using stones. So, and also adulteration, adding with the pepper using papaya seeds. Milk is added, water is added to milk. Even for ghee, they will add dalda and sell it as ghee. They will also add banana also in the ghee. So all these are adulteration. So adulteration of food articles. The Government of India Act of 1986, very important date to be remembered, is a significant step in this direction. See, this is Essential Commodities Act of 1955. You see the things which are come under Essential Commodities Act. The standards of weights and measures, you can see it established in 1976. Weights and Measures Act, latest laws. Laws on adulteration. You can see what are the adult. See the color of the food. It's been adulterated. We buy turmeric. It is also chemically mixed. So laws on food adulteration. How to file a consumer complaint against adulteration of food. See here what he is doing. They are injecting to the fruit. Can you see this? How to file a consumer complaint against adulteration of food also we will learn in this chapter.